In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional and engaging party rental website using the Wix platform. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your online presence, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of building a site that's not only visually appealing, but also functional for your business needs. First, let's begin by choosing a party rental template on Wix. Templates are essential as they provide a solid foundation for your website, offering you a range of design options and layouts specifically tailored for the party rental industry. Once you sign into your Wix account, navigate to the template section and use the search function to find party rental templates. Take your time to browse through the selection and preview each template to see which design aligns best with your branding and service offerings. Keep in mind that the right template should reflect your business's style, whether that's elegant and classic or vibrant and fun. After selecting a template, the next step is to customize it to suit your specific needs. Begin by updating the text to accurately represent your business. This includes adding a catchy heading that draws visitors in, writing a compelling about section that speaks to your mission and experience, and detailing the services you offer. Each service description should be clear and concise, making it easy for potential clients to understand what they can expect. Images play a crucial role in engaging website visitors, so replacing default images with high-quality photos of your rentals and events you've serviced is highly recommended. This not only showcases your portfolio, but also adds a personal touch that helps build trust. If you don't yet have professional images, consider using high-resolution stock images as a temporary solution until you can arrange a photo shoot. Beyond content, you'll want to consider how you'll manage bookings through your site. Within Wix, you can add features like a booking form or integrate payment options. If your business involves taking deposits or full payments upfront, linking a payment gateway is invaluable. The booking form should be straightforward, asking for necessary details such as the date, type of event, and a way to contact the customer. Providing these features will streamline the reservation process and enhance customer experience. Once you're satisfied with your customization, it's time to publish the website. Before hitting the Publish button, preview the site to ensure everything appears as expected across different devices. Look for any typos, check link functionality, and ensure that images load correctly. When confirmed, go ahead and publish your site. This will make it live and accessible to your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to crafting a party rental website on Wix.